How we doing, guys? It's Tim. I'm not gonna shave tonight, but I said to Dad and one of my friends I was gonna do a video on how to lather. So I'll start with the old Berkeley. And basically, I don't know if you'll be able to see this or not. I just squeeze it, and then give it a couple of shakes. I start really dry. I had put about a teaspoon of water on top of this puck of the Hagen new stuff, premium, luxury, deluxe, I don't know. But it's the scented stuff, bright white puck. Take my bowl out of the sink that it's been soaking in. And the only thing you need for this is a nearly dry brush and a watch. I'm going to go 30 seconds. You're just swirling around in there. You're not trying to put a crazy amount of pressure on it or anything. There's 30 seconds. You can see it's good and lumped together and matted up, and then it comes up, you know, about a ½ inch the bristles or so. You certainly could load a little more wet, but I like starting dry. And then you just start working in the bowl. Now there's a little residual water in the bowl, and that's fine. But you just I do this until something changes. Like you'll notice the sound changes a little bit, and it starts to get a little drag to it. And yes, it takes me a minute to make lather, but I don't mind. It's part of the whole ritual that I have time to myself. So it started to drag a little. Just going to dip the tips of the brush in some water and just go back to it and push all this stuff down to the center, give it a bit of a pump. A little more water. Now we're starting to get somewhere. A little more water yet. I need to add one more time. Yeah. It's just a few drops each time. Daughter's trying to come in. Oops. And there you have it. That is definitely shave worthy. With this Hagen, you need to load a little bit longer than I did. I haven't used it very much, so it doesn't have much residual water in it. Unlike this puck of wool fat that I've used for the last week, which really has soaked up water and gotten bigger and is far easier to load. Stuff smells really nice. So, let me kill the camera. Thanks for watching the soap video. I'm going to do a cream next. I'm going to shut the camera off and clean the brush, etc. Be right back.